Yo, yeah, my power went out, so that's what happened. It shut off briefly. So, if that happens again, just know that that was my power, and we will try to pick this up tomorrow because it's thunderstorming super bad outside right now. So, I'm kind of like tentative to even try this out because it might happen again. So, I'm kind of hesitant to do this, but that was pretty bad. Power came right back on, but that was pretty bad. That thunder, like, that was so bad. Look at this. It's not even loading right. I didn't do the show flag. Crap. Show flag. Dot landscape tab one. Yeah, that was pretty bad. Chando. I can't do it like you. What up, big dog? Yeah, so my power just went out. So if it goes out again, I ain't coming back. I made a strip club, Chando. What it do? Yeah, I made a strip. I'm gonna show you the inside real quick. I gotta make some little strippers in here though, but this gonna be the inside of the strip club. I'm gonna have a dude, yes sir. I'm gonna have a dude. He'll be walking in. He'll begin to dance in the back room here. He'll begin danced on in the back room here. He gonna leave. He gonna leave, and then he gonna go outside and get robbed. Yeah, yeah. It's that it's 3D animations. Trying to make like a little story. I don't know if you ever heard of the robbery by T Grizzly, but you should check out the robbery series on YouTube. But that's what's gonna be based off of. Yeah, so it's like 8 parts, but I'm gonna make it more like a cinematic. Yo, what up? What up? Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Then he gonna leave. Yeah, yeah. I rock with it. Appreciate it. Definitely appreciate it. This gonna be. I still gotta make this. This gonna be the DJ booth. Gonna be like right here. Gonna have some strippers going up and down a pole right next to him. Have strippers here, strippers there. There's gonna be strippers everywhere. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's gonna be the vibe. I'm gonna start making my guide. I guess I can make them in here. Honestly, start making my guy, the first guy. See, say that. Say again. If my power, if I just randomly shut off, it's probably because it's thunderstorming. My power went off. But I'm gonna attempt to do it because I haven't been on in the last couple of days. So I'm gonna go to. I don't even know if I got this loaded up. Let me see if I can find my MetaHuman because it might not be loaded up. Oh, so I'm gonna have to go to here, make sure it's loaded up. Then we're gonna. Oh, man, I'll be in here. Go to library, Unreal. See if I can find MetaHuman in here somewhere. Uh, Install the engine MetaHuman. Meta and this MetaHuman plugin. I'm sure it's compatible. That's weird. So that's the main thing. I got the newest version. Sometimes with the newest version, it take a minute to update. Um, and if I can't do it, I would just have to bring my guy over. I'm about to do it in a different version and then bring him over, which ain't the end of the world. Let me see. Should work. Please install compatible engine and retry. See, I'm about to look this up because you can't use MetaHuman in here. That's dummy weird. I'm about to look at that. Let me see. I should screenshot this. Okay. MetaHuman. I'm just asking chat, is it compatible on my environment? I'll let y'all do this out your way. Is MetaHuman compatible for the 5.8? If so, why is saying not compatible for engine? Yeah, so it's different versions of Unreal. So I'm trying to make my person. Let me see. Yes, MetaHuman are absolutely compatible. Um, not compatible with the engine. Let me see. So open Epic, find your Unreal Engine 5.8. So let me see. Engine 5.8. Click on the beside it. Make sure MetaHuman Creator. That is the nope. Start plugin. Nope, it's not in there. Let me see if that's in. Nope. Update. Fire installation. Click the options beside it. I don't know why this is not. You got to figure it out though. That's part of the thing, man. Troubleshooting. Just not sure why option. Okay, so that's what I had to do. Yeah. So I had to do it that way. I didn't know. So now I know though. So when you learn, you earn. You know. So I'm about to shut this off. Come back again. And again, not the stream. We could chop it up for a second. But again, the best way you learn is by doing. So I'm gonna get out of here. If if my stream end up shutting off again, it's thunderstorming outside. That's what happened the first time. Shout out to Kobe Bean. Shout out to Cole. Again, the last few days I haven't really been able to be on here. Shout out to people in the chat, man, on YouTube and TikTok. I try to stream at the same time. So I'm gonna reopen this bad boy. It's thunderstorming outside, so if it shut off randomly, I'm gonna call it one. You know, I ain't coming back. So that's what happened last time. I felt bad that it shut off like that on y'all. But let me type this in here real quick because it's gonna be tweaking if I don't. Landscape dash one. Boom. All right, so let's go back to our club interior. Thunderstorm and lightning like crazy outside by us. So Yeah, we gonna keep trying. So we gonna open this up. Open this bad boy. They in a club, strip club. All right. So then, uh, like I said, still learning on the side too, man. I'm not like oh, I gotta go to plug in. Yep, that it. I might have to shut this off again. God dog. I forgot that I have to do this. Now I gotta go to the plug in. Um, edit plug in MetaHuman. It's tons of MetaHumans. I always forget which ones I need to be using. 'Cause I don't like turning on MetaHuman right away because it's kind of heavy. Um, okay, so I'm gonna screenshot because I'm gonna just put it in the chat. It usually tells me which one. 'Cause again, I don't like opening it right away. Which one I turn on? But yeah, we're gonna make our first character if Laura willing, if this don't shut off on us. Uh MetaHuman creator. Okay. Yes, I'm about to shut this off again and then the animator for right now. Cause I might have to do live link. Um yeah. Ooh, they got the crowd too. I might have to mess I might turn her on too just for right now. So we're gonna restart. Let's go come back on. Um, yeah, man. But I haven't been on here for like the last couple days. Been pretty busy. We went to the Kalani concert. That was it was decent. I don't know when I seen Beyonce live, so it's hard for me to be like highly impressed by people anymore. But that's just me though. Okay. So let me put this back in here. Show flag. If anybody know a solution to this, I don't have to keep doing this every time. That would be beautiful. Somebody chime in with the landscape problem that I'm having. All right. So now that we're in here, I don't like that. What is this? Oh, it's just a glow. I don't like that. I'm gonna fix that later. So we're going to go to MetaHuman. Try that again. Meta. Nope. Go to our MetaHuman. Sorry. Should it be popping up yet? Just go here. I'm actually gonna make a folder. We'll call it Meta Human. Right. It's lighting like crazy outside. Again, if something happens, it's because of this stuff outside. But we're gonna make our first character. So I don't know what we're gonna call him. Let's call him T for right now. I might change the name later. That's Evolve. Shout out to Evolve. What up, Kenneth? Okay, now we're in the meta human. Enable missing. MetaHuman creator data is missing some features. Gotta restart a freaking again. And it's okay, man. Like I should have prepared this earlier. I just hopped on raw dogging it, so that's on me. But again, uh I was pretty busy the last couple days. I don't think I've been here since Thursday, Sunday now, so I'm at a I can't remember if I was on Friday. So what I mean by this issue, every time I push G, it disappears my landscape. So even if I go to content. No, let me get out of here. Don't know why I did that. Don't need you to do to get off my screen, bro. So what I mean by the problem I'm having with this is it keep disappearing. So even in my again, if my setup goes off, it's because of the tornado. I mean the thunderstorm that's outside. So it's thundering dummy bad right now. So, but I'm gonna show you what I mean. So when I push G, oh, it doesn't do it on here. I don't care. So I gotta type this in here though because it gets rid of everything in my other scene. So landscape tab one, and again, this is my strip club that I just made. I'm gonna make my character right now. Um, so yeah, we're gonna start off with my dog. I might change his name, but we'll see. So I don't know. Some features will be unavailable. All right, whatever. We'll figure that out later. I'm not that pressed. Some features is gone, bro. Kind of impressed a little bit because where's my features? Okay, I don't have the presets. God dog it. Let me see what's going on. I might have to figure this out. It's always something, man. I should have prepared this. I was not prepared. Are the features features not available? I'm not getting everything I should be. I want to show the people, man. So that's why I'm kind of like, because there should be something down here I should be able to pick through. I'm going to shut these off, man. I'm so sick of notifications, dude. Hold on, man. Let me shut these off. I'm so sick of these, dog. No more. So, for some reason, it's not working. Something missing, so you ain't able to met him in Gordon. Open. Okay. Gotta do this crap again. Let's see. It's always something, guys. I guess that's the only way you learn is by going through hard times. You know, this part is the boring part, but it is what it is. Import and apply, launch, open, thread. It was already checked. some features will be unavailable until it's added to your project. Added to your project makes me okay. So let's see something real quick. I'm gonna delete this guy here. Delete. Um, I'm gonna go to edit again. Meta human. I'm gonna have to reset. Start this again, unfortunately. All right, so try this one more time. If this don't work, I'm gonna get off of this mud. I'm gonna study this tomorrow or later on today. Unfortunately, this might be one of our first major L we have together, because I'm not gonna keep bashing my head with this. Not today. It's the Lord's day. So, and I'm not gonna get upset. So go back to a club interior, right? This might be our first from the thunderstorm to I know when the signs to call it one. So let's try this one more again. Meta hood, meta human character. We'll call him T for right now. I might change the name. If this shuts off, that's a sign to just don't do it. Yeah, I'm not understanding this. I don't understand. Let me see some. I'm gonna redo this. Message still there for some reason. Because what's supposed to happen? I'm supposed to have some preset heads there. I was going to use that to blend them, but I don't have nothing, which is so freaking weird. Ready, verify, install, let enable MetaHuman Creator, restart the test, enable browser, right click, MetaHuman character, open new character, tell me if the red core, warning, a brand new. Okay, so this is not working like I want it to, which is not the end of the world, just kind of frustrating. Um, yeah, so no worries. We're gonna delete you again. It's a little frustrating because I'm not sure why it's not working. You're not talking about this as a structure. Should actually see the problem in the screenshot. Click presets rather than. No, bro. I already did that and nothing showed up in presets. It's completely blank. Yeah, guys. So this our first L, major L. We usually been finding problems, but I think this is gonna be a deeper problem I'm gonna have to figure out. So, instead of wasting y'all time, I'm not gonna waste my time and stuttering out, so this could shut off at any moment. I'm gonna research more about this and then I'll come back. But hey, we take L's sometimes and it's alright, so it is what it is. So peace.